To add a manager to a Facebook business page, start by navigating to the page and switching to your account. Click on the settings icon and select Page Details from the options. Scroll down to the Page Setup section, where you will find the Page Access option. Click on Add New to give someone full access to the page, and enter their name or email address. You can grant full control to this person, or limit their access to specific areas, such as content, messages, community activity, or ads, by selecting the relevant options under People with Task Access. To do this, click on the relevant section, enter the person's name or email, and choose the level of access you want to grant. Once you've added a new manager, they will need to accept the invitation for the changes to take effect. The level of access you grant will depend on your specific needs, and you can customize the settings accordingly.